everyone, my name is Angel and I am a student of class 5 and today I am here for a discussion. My topic is summer season. I am Aradhya. I am here for telling discussion. My topic is winter. I mean that summer is very better season.
No, winter is very better season.
How you can say that?
Because in winter we live at home and enjoy.
But in summer we have a long time vacation and we can go with our family or tour and other places.
In winter we make much dishes and enjoy a lot.
That's we can also do in summer.
In summer the skin is very dry. The climate is very bad.
But I mean that we don't like to eat food in summer. But summer is very better because we like to eat ice creams and many mango trees grow and we also go and eat mangoes.
In winter we also eat mangoes and other fruits.
But it can harm to us.
No, it not harm.
How you can say that it can't harm to us?
Because fruit have many vitamins, calciums and other things.
But in market the peoples are giving injection to the fruits and make it bigger and without season they are selling that. So in winter we can't sell mango.
In winter we eat. When we brought any fruits, we wash it, then we eat.
You like to eat watermelon?
Yes.
So in watermelon there are many proteins, but it is only found in summer.
In winter we also eat.
But they are made by chemicals.
No, we wash it, then we eat, na.
So how can you eat that? The chemical is inside. It will go in your body and affect.
Well,
yes, Aradhya, please come on. Speak. Keep on speaking.
In summer we have to go our granny's house and many other houses. That
we also go in winter. In winter we go in granny's home and we also the schools are give winter vacation.
But in winter vacation there is very short period time of vacation.
In winter we enjoy very much. In winter the climate is very good.
How you can say the climate is very good? Everyone said that summer is good because in summer we don't wear heavy clothes and we go for a playing in swimming pools and other places.
In winter we also bath and we wear thin cloth at home
but we scare in winter that how we will bath. But in summer we go in swimming pool and jump there.
In winter many people's not bath, but many people's are bath because.
Do you not bath?
So my brother not bath.
And in winter we have to wear many clothes, heavy clothes, inner and other sweaters, jackets, so that it takes very time. And summer we wear a lower and t-shirt and we go for playing and other things.
We wear and then we play.
When we play, our jacket are shoeless. When open in winter, we fall down and there are fog and the water comes down and we fall on grass and our cloth has become dirty.
In winter, when we play our body become hot. Then we become hot.
But in summer, our body become cool. When we take a bath and we go for playing and we run, then we feel how cold and fresh air come to our.
In winter, when we bath and come, the body is become hot.
Okay, it was a great GD between the Aradhya